Hey guys, Jesse here, AI Music Money, working on some records in between classes, some albums, get some sounds out there, get some music out there. But first, credibility check. We're up to 8.8 million streams on our main artist now. If you want to know how I got that, this is on Spotify streams. Today we'll be working on Velvala, and this is our secondary artist, making the secondary most amount of money. We'll go over that in just a second. And if you want to know how we got 30,000 streams this month or so, but over 140,000 streams on Spotify on our secondary artist, and how I've made almost $30,000 utilizing AI music past a couple of months. Here's my withdrawals. If you want to know how I did that, go watch all my videos, binge watch them, drop some questions if you have them. Make sure you watch all my videos first. All the information is available for free. I utilize keyword research. Today we'll be targeting Nordic folk music. I found that through searching Viking music. Hitting the keywords under that, it's related, very low, 20,000. I think that's good enough to drop a whole album on, targeting that keyword. Quick overview of the school community. I'm going to bleep some of this out, try to protect my people's information in here. One of our members has already started getting our first couple hundred streams, right? Here's the Suno helper, DistroKid helper right there with the video on how to unpack that and as a Chrome extension, essentially. Here's a welcome list that lays out the plan, step one, all the steps one by one. And then got some questions we answered. And then there's even some more software being dropped in the chat by users that they're sharing with everyone on how to auto upload. I haven't used it yet myself. Use it at your own risk, of course. But we'll be working on this album here, finishing up one. So the next song I'm working on, this is the process. You already know how I do my chats, but I'll scroll up for you. I asked ChatGPT to write me 40 amazing titles and choruses. The titles need to be short, 3 words or less, and ensure we have never used them, and they are completely new. The energy needs to be, and for this, because it's Velvala, Druids, Berserkers, Ragnarok, and Valhalla. And, pumped me out some nice Old Norse titles with choruses. Looks pretty good. Then put them over here in Suno with the prompts that we have tested prior. So, I like my prompts. These are mine. You got to make your own. I tell you how to do everything, but I just asked ChatGPT to make stuff a meta prompt. And if you watch my videos, you see me using meta prompting, and I talk about that. And got my style in there, so all my styles should be in this similar fashion with a cinematic Nordic war chant with epic female vocals carrying the main rune-like hook, answered by deep male chorus and call and response. And then we'll just copy our titles and choruses, go back to where I was. It was the last song we did. And this will be the title of the song, and the chorus will be the chorus of the song. You see how it's labeled chorus. It's telling Suno we want this to be our chorus. It does a fantastic job of making songs in foreign languages, not just English. I think that's my thought process here, is that foreign languages now may be a good target for some of these. If you saw my Russian raps channel, we got that one started. It's been about 5 days since I tried to claim the YouTube channel, and I dropped another album, all offline, of course, but I showed you how to claim the channel. Very simply, we just generate a few songs utilizing our titles and choruses. You see, I already got a few. Once we get our songs generated, we're going to make a playlist. We're going to save our songs on a playlist. We want to listen to them, make sure they're all decent, because, it does make mistakes, but I haven't heard a mistake from Suno in quite a long time. I'll tell you that. So yeah, because you can see I was working on Russian rap songs here. If you want to know.
Холод провода, в глубине как пригород, ветер летает дела. Это фронт, каждый сосед это год, руки в карманах тихо, шаг через шорох и...
No, that was all right. But not what we're working on today. Making a playlist. I'll probably fast forward from here. You'll watch me add a playlist. We'll see when I start fast forwarding.
Brenner med seg goder vakaies.
Okay. We'll refresh our playlist. There we go. Suno helper. Matches there. Matches there. Let's download the playlist. We got 13 songs. Perfect. While that's downloaded, let's go get a picture. I like to say something like 3,000 by 3,000 pixel album cover image for The Blood Falls. Now you could ask it to give you ideas. Create, so we'll say give it image ideas so that we can choose. And it'll generally pull in some pictures. I said create a 3,000 by 3,000 pixel album cover image ideas. I was going to just have it do an album cover. It'll bang something out, but having ideas and options to choose from is pretty cool. Viking Falls music with no text overlays. I was going to, it'll probably pull in some ideas. Concept one. Perfect. This is exactly what I want. Ultra realistic cinematic square format 3000 by 3000 resolution of a colossal Viking berserker stands at the base of a towering waterfall, flowing thick with dark crimson blood instead of water. Perfect. It's got this very descriptive prompt. I often tell it to make an image first, just so it knows what I want it to do. I don't have to type the prompt in again, because sometimes it'll start giving me more prompt ideas. Be specific when you can. And now we're creating our image. While that's creating, I'm going to go log into Canva. That's still cooking. Songs are still downloading. We're here. We're going to get our cool image. Oh, that's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Well, I like to count the fingers. We got all the fingers. Everything looks great. We're going to download this bad dad. Go back over here. Drag it right in. You see, I just freshly downloaded everything on this laptop. Oh, actually, we're going to do, I don't want anything on this one. I think we're going to go right into edit. I love some of my favorite covers, and we're using Canva. And I am on the paid one, but they have like a free one that's pretty good too. I used it for a long time before I paid. I like using nostalgic, dream, antique. Some of these make them look pretty good. I think we'll go with the nostalgic on this one, maybe even Vento. But these vintage ones, I think they look the best for album covers. Just my opinion, right? Once we get the filter set, we're going to go to background effect, autofocus. And ChatGPT knows I like things with individual figures. I've kind of given it that command several times to create the images with individual figures. But it makes it easier to autofocus. And so now this looks like a wicked good photo because autofocus makes the focal point pop from the photo. You know, it can have everything. Oh, it looks real graphic and cool, or it can make it look a little more realistic by making it pop. It's my opinion. I'm not a graphic designer, but this stuff looks good to me. This will be our album cover. Download that. Should be pretty close to done here. We got 11 of 13 downloaded with our DistroKid helper tool, which is available in the school community. And but you don't have to join the school community. This just saves you time, and it also auto pops data. All right, so over here, we're gonna go hit on meta.json, album loaded, Valhalla, my name in there, Nordic folk music. That's our tag. It's gonna put the tag in after each title, and we're gonna autofill, applying metadata. if it doesn't say applying metadata, refresh the page and try again. If you ever run into any of that stuff. All right, cool. We're here. 599. Velvala. Release date today, 15th of January. Select a genre. Genre is. Fix my posture here. Got me slouching. Our genre is world and vocal. And select our image. Go to downloads. Faster if I just drag it in instead of looking around for it. Boom. Pretty sick image if I say so myself. Now the uploader should make it easier to do that, but we'll go here. Oh, close that. And now songs are here. Double checking, making sure it's not hasn't selected anything I don't want it to select. Now apparently there's a tool though that will auto upload these for you. I haven't used it yet though, and the people in the chat dropped it in the school community. So it's another custom tool they've put in there. And someone's even updated it since it's been dropped. Another person. So the community is doing what the community is meant to do, and they're helping each other in there. Now we're going to do our additional requirements. The role I select is synthesizer because we've synthesized this music. Producer. Oh. Oh, damn. I accidentally put those in front. Well, we're going to redo that. I don't like it. Ah, see, I got that backwards. Make sure it says append, title, then tag. Autofill, we'll do that again. It's okay. Go through all that again. No worries. Same thing. Synthesizer. Voila. Do it. Okay. See, it fixed the tags. Producer. That was totally my fault. Boom. Now let's do this in reverse order. 13. 12. Mistakes make you faster. 11, 10, 9. Nope. 9. Stop slouching. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, and 1. Title state. Cool. Alright, everything looks good. Select all your boxes. You don't need to choose any of this stuff. You can come back and choose it later if you want to do that. I haven't found it necessary yet. And there we go. And that's how it's done. And you got the DistroKid tool. That helps me save a lot of time. Me typing all that, copying and pasting all that. School community's doing awesome. People are helping each other. I'm super happy with that. Thankful for everyone that's in there. Thankful for everyone that's helping each other in there. Thankful for all the questions and DMs. And if you want to get like direct response from me, you want to get quicker answers from me, school community is the way to go. But you don't have to be in there, but they do get the priority of my time when helping them with this. Um, yeah, this is life changing for me. I don't think this is going to last forever. Somebody asked me, like, why are you even teaching other people this? And I'm like, because I don't think it's going to be here long. Or if it is, it's going to be beneficial for all of us. And I think we can help each other. And that's already happening and manifesting itself inside the school community without sounding too woo woo, right? There's people dropping already stuff to help auto upload, and people are working on auto download tools too. So that way all you got to do is give a prompt, and theoretically you get a whole album published for you. So, that's going to be also that's the next generation of what's going on right now, whether you like that or not. You know. But thanks for watching. If you watched this far, you probably like what's going on, and feel free to drop a comment. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Don't re-comment on threads because I'm not getting notifications for that. If you got multiple questions, ask multiple comments.